Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we will guide you on how to get TikTok on your PC. So let's dive right in. First, head over to your desktop and click on the Start menu. In the search bar, type in Microsoft Store and hit Enter. The Microsoft Store should open up. If you're not signed in already, use your Microsoft account to log in. Now, look for the search bar at the top of the window. Here, type in TikTok and hit Enter. From the search results, you should see the TikTok app. Click on it to open the app details page. Here you'll see an Install button. Click on that and the download will begin. The download speed will depend on your internet connection, but it shouldn't take too long. Once it's finished, the app will automatically install itself. Once the installation is complete, you'll see an Open button. Click on that to launch the TikTok app. Now comes the fun part. You can choose how you want to sign in to your account. TikTok offers various options. Sign in with Google, Facebook, your email, or even a QR code. Pick your preferred method, log in, and boom! You're now ready to dive into the world of TikTok on your PC. There you have it. With these simple steps, you've got TikTok up and running on your Windows PC. Now you can enjoy all the trending content, create your own videos, and connect with the TikTok community, all from the comfort of your computer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.